Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the top best ball joints for Jeep JK that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. TeraFlex 344 2002 Ball Joints for Jeep JK. Starting with our premium recommendation for all serious buyers out there, we present to you the TeraFlex 344 2002 JK. Combining aesthetics and top-notch functionality, this is what you should anticipate out of this model if you choose to go with it. Being adjustable and manufactured from 4140 chrome alloy, this model will give you good customized functionality and durability in the long run. You won't have to worry about getting a decent bearing on it when working with the minute details. Number 2. Moog K800 26 ball joint. The Moog K800 26 ball joint is a great model to consider if you're looking for something reliable and trustworthy. Here's what you can anticipate. For starters, the material of manufacturing is engineered to withstand and function in extreme temperatures and situations, so you won't have to worry about going the extra mile once you're down with this ball joint. Another great feature of this model that truly sets it apart from its competitors is its oversized housing. Number 3. Detroit Axle New Front 4-piece Upper and Lower Ball Joint Set. One of the more reputable names in the game, the Detroit Axle New Front 4-piece Upper and Lower Ball Joint Set is a great model to go with. Here's what you should expect. To start off with, this model is recommended for 4x4 only. If you're looking for something for your car, then I'm afraid I have some bad news for you. Now that that's out of the equation, let's move on to the amazing versatility that this model has to offer. Number 4. Heavy Duty Ball Joint Press and U-Joint Removal Toolkit. When you combine functionality with aesthetics, the resulting combination produces an irresistible product that is a must-have. Luckily for you, the heavy-duty ball joint press and U-joint removal tool kit checks off on that list with 4 points. For starters, this model is arguably the best ball joint for professional use, owing primarily to its hard design and presentation. With its casing, the model is also easy to carry around from place to place, which makes it a good option to consider if you're a professional who travels frequently. Number 5. Alloy USA 11800 Upper and Lower Ball Joint Kit. Next up on the list, we have the Alloy USA 11800 Upper and Lower Ball Joint Kit. Made to last a long time and reduce any type of wobbling in your vehicle, this is what you should anticipate. For starters, the all-steel construction ensures great strength and will make sure that your vehicle's performance is durable in the long run. With all the relevant hardware included in the package, this model also incorporates low-profile Zerk settings. This will make the installation job easier than it already was. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below.